George P. Wagwan, so how's England so far?
England nice. So nice.
Yeah.
Vibration, energy. Love it.
When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. Oh gosh.
Yes, people, Wagwan, you done know Wagwan. Welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen, people. I'm Ringo Vision. We're in a new season, people, and I got a special guest on the program today. George P. What do you know, man?
All the thing go, man. Really life, you know. Good vibes, you hear that?
Alright,
Vibration.
so, look, we have to big up George P., the Ghetto president, straight from Jamaica, straight out of Canada, straight right just in the UK right now. So George P., I saw food we are going to put in our kitchen, you know.
I mean, we're going to chef up something and deal with burleys.
Alright, George P., respect for your link up, looking forward because a market, I can't go a marketplace in England, I make you see what I want. A good vibe.
Support, man.
Yeah, man, a good vibe. Big up Sugar P, turn up 1000. He's on camera right now today, people. Sugar P.
Come on.
Come on,
You already know. Yeah.
Alright, good vibe.
London town.
You don't know what I want, people. Shopping. Yes, people. So I'm at the food store now. So this is the meat shop, and they've also got authentic Jamaican vegetables produces from all around the world, people. Yeah, not just Jamaica, but Africa, all about the place, Asia. You understand? George P, this is like the shop that you come to and just get your things them from a yard. You see it? Yeah. So we want yam, dashing, yellow yam, everything there. So yeah, man, when I look at white yam and it's a yellow yam from there. And so green banana. The iron in the bottom. Yeah, good vibes. George P, Wagwan, so how's England so far?
I like England nice. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Vibration, the energy. Love it. You see me?
Alright.
Great scenery.
Alright, people, so look, George P saying love the energy so far. So look, we got the green banana them. So we look some George P pick some green banana for you know, cause you say a yard man said we you know George P you can pick a green banana them too, you know. Pick some good green.
The thick one them.
Yeah. So a two finger we want, you know, George P, because we cook a pot of food today. Yeah, man. Yeah. Then two, yeah. Then two hand, yeah.
Yeah, man, them two and they are all.
Yeah, man, I fool them, yeah. Alright, a good vibes. Yes, everyone, so, yeah, man, we got the green banana, we got the white yam, a good vibe. So, all we need now are just some next vegetables, them like some onion, carrot, onion, and pepper. Yeah, man, George P, a good vibes. Yeah, man, we're on the end said way, so Bob Marley are thumping our place. A good vibes. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Yes, people, so yeah, man, welcome to the program 24-Hour Kitchen. We're fully outside. Yeah, man, George P, turn up 1000. We're there, we're active, so we're just waiting for my man to deal with the chicken over there. Yeah, man, so he might deal with the thing for quick and fast. And then we're going to get back to the kitchen, people. You don't know what time it is here. We're going to mash up a bad boy food. Yeah, man, yard style, Mr. Man, good vibes.
Have a nice day, mom. You look like this up there.
Yeah, man, a good vibes. Bags them. Man, them got the bags them. Yeah. Come on, we're going to do the thing right now, people. Yes, people, so a good vibes. Ringo Vision, George P in our kitchen. George P, come in, go have a look, as I said. Yes, people, so this is what's happening right now, yeah. So we left the marketplace and we just look, prepping the banana, because we're going to cook the banana in the skin. So, you know, so you just cut it from end to end and just peer it round. Simple things, people, yeah. Alright, yeah, man, I just some green banana, people, yeah. So we're ready. We already dealt with the yam, people, yeah, and peel the yam and wash the yam, and you see the yam is ready to go into the pot. Come over here so I can have a look, George, because we have a pot here, so where I just peel yam and go in the pot. Yeah, man, I just peel yam and go in the pot here, George P. A good vibe, one pot of yam, you know?
That is it.
Yeah.
Really hard style.
Really hard style,
See
George
me?
P.
That's true.
No joke.
See me? Iron in your body.
Iron in your body and then look at how George P have one pot of banana same way. Yeah, man.
That is it.
Yes, everyone. So look, the chicken is done, seasoned up and everything. The oil is hot, so we're gonna start half frying the chicken and then we're gonna stew it down, people. Yeah, at good vibes. Yes, people, so we're in the kitchen right now, so we're going through the stages. The yam is in the pot. Also, people got the green banana in the pot. Yeah. Chicken half fry up. George P, what you say?
You know the thing going on. Stew chicken alone. Me, I telling you right now. I'm ready for it.
Alright.
Wait for it, John.
And George P, you have to go give the people them a acapella segment, you know, so you have to give them that in a little segment.
Yeah, man, in a little segment, I give them a little acapella.
Alright, people, because you don't know, say, George P is the original Jamaican dancehall artist, and he's a feature on the program today, people. So in the comment section, I want you lot to big up George people. So big up George P. George P, respect again for forward for the program. Yeah, man, a good
big up
vibe.
the people in the hear that. Holy for love and holy for respect. Every time. That is it. You hear that?
You hear that, people? Yeah, man, a good vibe. Oh. Oi, everyone. So look, we've reached that point of the program. So look, the green banana is boiling up in the pot. The yam and the Irish potato is boiling up. Look, the oil is here. So we're using the same oil that we used to fry the chicken. That's the oil that we're using right now, people, yeah, to stew back down the chicken. So our good vibes, our good vibes.
Some places she want got the man she had before. You might tell us that she can't go your Babylon. Why like say you're there carnival? When you see me shout out your hand again. Praise the face of your voice, you know the real ghetto president. And when I represent for constant family, present the Easter Sunday, Bosh, and March the 31st, you can't be the rest. Place to be, I don't know.
Oi, people are one. So, yeah, man, thank you very much. It's true chicken and the hard food. You don't know what I'm going inside the Ringo Vision's kitchen. Come in. Because the whole of the food almost completed, you know. Look, yeah, man, I look a bit of banana, I look a bit of yam and them thing, the people, yeah. Alright, good vibe. Thank you very much, people. So, yeah, man, I just want to thank George P as well for coming on the program, people. George P, come in, man. Yeah, original ghetto president, people, yeah. So, George P is an international artist from Jamaica, people, yeah. So I'll just leave you with George P. George P have a few words, said we have good vibes.
Don't know my peeps, it was a joy to be here. You understand what I say? Ringo, you understand what I say? Chefing up this nice menu in idea. You get what I say? It was delicious. I don't tell a lie, me enjoy the meal. You get me? I don't know people want to keep the thing active. You understand what I say? Cause I don't know Ringo vision thing now, man. You see me I say? Ringo food are the food. You have to try, you can get breast and wing, you can get leg and thigh. The food you juicy, the food you not try. What's the spice and the flavors when it on them apply? Yeah, Ringo food there with 12 finger licking. Eat by the Uptown Garrison, when you listen, if you never eat it, well something missing. Remember me tell you that Ringo styles, maddest food. That me I tell you. Don't be rude.
Alright, people, you're done here. George P say food. The food is what? And the right vibes, people. Yeah, big up yourself, everyone here. Until next time, let me show you what I go on at the pub. Yeah, man, that is it, people. The stew chicken. Yeah, man. Look over here, son. The hard food. Yeah, man. Good vibes, people. Big up yourself. Good vibes.